Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel Forex Clubhouse. Today on this video I'm going to share with you a very simple price action strategy that turned me into a financially independent trader. If you want 2023 to be the year you become a profitable trader, then this video is right for you. Guys and girls, we are now on 30-minute time frame, as you can see for yourself on the screen. Now here's the quick question for you. Is this time frame enough for us to have all the necessary information that may make us know where the price came from and where it is headed? Probably not, right? Of course. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame, which I tend to use it as my highest time frame since I'm mostly just a day trader. So here's the point to note. If you are a day trader as me, then the 4-hour time frame should be your highest time frame for the day, period. Now on the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? Well, I noticed that the market is on the downtrend. Secondly, I remind myself how the downtrend market moves so that I may know when to expect a similar move to occur. So here is the lower high. Then the market came to retest to the lower low right here. Then here, 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 and lastly it did the same here. So now, since we already know the general market bias on the higher time frame, which is to look for sales since the market is on a downtrend, we now progress to the lower time frame, which for this case will be the 1-hour time frame. Now let me delete all these drawings so that we may have a clean chart. Now on this lower time frame we will concentrate on this impassive leg right here, again looking for sales only. This is the rule, guys. Never go against what the higher time frame is showing you. If it shows sales, then even on the lower time frames you must only look for sales. Then we shift to the 30-minute time frame to look for more entry opportunities. And on the 30-minute time frame, notice how these weak rejections occur. Well, these, guys and girls, are our entry confirmations. And what to do is we enter into this trade right away with our stop loss being just above this recent weak rejection right here.
A few moments later.
Guys and girls, just like that, $10,000 secured for this January. As simple as that, just one trade. Well, some friends did ask me if the trades that I show here on YouTube I also share with my buddies in the VIP group. Well, here's your answer, friends. Guys, remember this. As traders, we often focus on technical aspects of the market such as chart patterns and indicators, but it is important to remember that psychology plays a huge role in our success as well. One of the biggest challenges traders face is controlling their emotions. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a winning trade or the fear of a losing one, but it's crucial that we stay disciplined and stick to our plan no matter what the market is doing. One way to manage your emotions is to have a clear trading plan in place. This should include your entry and exit points as well as your risk management strategies. By following a plan, you can avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.